Hey guys, I'm back again. So yun, I'm creating this video kasi in the past week, I've been getting messages and questions then, and at the same time, I've also observed sa mga members ng group na Conversion Designers Philippines wherein yung main thought is ganito. Hindi sila nakakakuha daw ng client because kailangan nila ng portfolio, and yung iba naman kailangan nilang mag-practice ng design and ma-follow nila yung current na design trend kasi yun daw yung hinahanap ng client. Now, this is true. Totoo to na number one, totoo naman talaga na kailangan ng portfolio. Okay? Totoo naman yung thought nila na kailangan ng portfolio dahil paano magbi-believe yung potential client na kaya mong i-deliver yung yung design na pinapagawa nila if wala kang portfolio. And that's true. Tama naman. Kailangan mo ng sample. The next is kailangan din marunong kang mag-design. Kasi nga, yung design trend daw. And yes, other clients would prefer design. But, yun nga, for me, if you are wanting to charge more, like a minimum of $500 per design gig, or sabihin natin more, like $1,000 and higher, kasi like yung para sa iba impossible to, but realistically speaking kayang-kaya to. Yung kailangan gawin talaga is not to be ano focused on aesthetic. So yun nga, I'll be talking in this video kung paano kayo mag-stand out na kahit newbie kayo, kahit hindi kayo mag-focus sa portfolio, you would still get a client. So yun. By the way, guys, if you don't know me, if you don't know me yet, my name is Errol Tiozon, and I talk about conversion design, how you can be a conversion designer, and I also talk about freelance design business. So yun, yung next na gagawin natin is I'll be showing you the deck or the slides that I've created para mas ma-explain ko yung thought ko on how you can get clients even without the portfolio. So yun, let's go over to my slides. Alright guys, so yun nga, I'll be talking about this one thing. Doing this one thing increases your chance of getting a client. And no, it's not about making tons of samples para sa portfolio mo. And no din sa pag-follow ng design trend kasi design trend, every year merong design trend na magbabago-bago. Like, it's always like that. So, parang yung design trend is just a bonus. Okay? Now, before we start, I want to ask you a quick question, and at the same time, I want you guys to imagine first. Okay? So yun lang yung favor ko sa inyo. I would ask a quick question, and at the same time, imagine niyo yung example or scenario. Na sabihin natin, nandun ka sa isang mall. Pag enter mo ng mall, may dalawang salesperson. Salesperson ng pizza. Okay? Pizza. Dalawa sila. Number one, yung question is, which is more believable? Sa dalawang yun, sino yung mas believable? Yung salesperson na nagbigay ng flyer saying na yung pizza nila is delicious or masarap, or dun ka sa isang salesperson ng pizza na nag-give out ng slice of pizza in a form of free taste. Okay? And most probably guys, yung answer nyo is, sabihin nyo talaga na mas believable syempre yung tao na nagbigay ng pizza. Kasi nga, natikman mo. 'Di ba? Now, why am I saying this or why did I give this specific example? Kasi, yun nga, ito yung frequent challenges na na-encounter ng ng iba't ibang designers na na-observe ko din. Number one is, sinasabi nila na either meron silang portfolio or sasabihin nila na I have a portfolio but clients aren't still interested to work with me. I need to catch up with new design trends. So yun, tinatry nila i-catch up yung design trend. And again, guys, every year may bagong design trend. So, isn't it in our best interest to find a specific method na alam natin na magwo-work kahit may bagong design trend, kahit nawala na yung bagong design trend na yun or whatever. So, yun parang constant siya. 'Di ba? It would be awesome, right? Kung merong ganun. And the second challenge na encounter nila is ganito. Yung iba naman, yung mga experience na mga designer wherein they are giving out downloadable PDF. Yung nagbibigay ka ng ebook kung paano yung method mo sa pagde-design and all, like yung benefit ng design thinking and stuff like that. Or I don't know kung ano pa yung sample nyo, like mga cheat sheet para sa paggagawa ng logo or para sa branding, cheat sheet para mas tumaas daw yung branding ng isang company and stuff like that. Pero clients aren't still interested to work with that person. Now, to be honest, eto yung nangyayari. Portfolio and downloadable PDF is like the flyers. Okay, guys? Kasi nga, wala kang assurance na yung binigay mong sample na design is gusto nilang design style. So, are you saying that you would need to create 100 designs and then mag-hope ka na may isang design na magugustuhan nila? Di ba hindi? Like, isn't it in your best interest sa career mo na pag mag-approach ka sa isang client, kung mag-outreach ka, or pag nag-approach yung client sa inyo, like magtanong sila sa service mo, pag maibigay ka sa kanila, like 99% or sabihin natin lowest, 90%, mapapayas mo sila na makipagtrabaho sa'yo. 'Di ba? 'Di ba mas maganda 'yun? Now, another is yung downloadable PDF. Like, anong assurance mo na yung binigay mong PDF is something that specific client is looking for? 'Di ba? Wala ka ding guarantee na yung lahat na nakasulat or lahat ng sinulat mong PDF is hindi na nila nabasa. Kasi nga, to be honest, wala nang original ngayong panahon ngayon. Like, wala na. So, if people are giving out PDFs, how sure are you na hindi din nagbibigay ng PDF yung iba? And, sabihin natin, yung PDF na binigay mo, ano yung bago dun as compared sa ginagawa ng iba? Or yung sinulat ng iba? You don't have any guarantees. 'Di ba? So, yun. Now, disclaimer lang guys ha. Disclaimer kasi baka sabihin nyo na hater ako ng portfolio and then hater din ako ng lead magnets or the downloadable PDFs. Guys, I believe na yung freelance design career nyo is a journey. So, may stages na dapat nagfo-focus na kayo sa portfolio building and may stages din na dapat nagfo-focus na kayo sa pag-create ng lead magnets. But if you are just starting out and if wala pa kayong clear na na parang business systems nyo, yung portfolio wouldn't really work well if you're just starting out. But yun nga, if presented properly yung portfolio, it would work really, really well. Again, if presented properly. And next is giving out lead magnets or the downloadable PDF can also work well if positioned properly. Again, freelance design business is a journey. So, kumbaga, may time na eto na yung dapat mong trabahuin. Pero if you're just starting out, hindi pa siya masyadong nagme-make sense. Alright. So, ano nga ba yung dapat nating i-offer if hindi portfolio or yung downloadable PDF? So yun, ano yung one thing? Yung one thing natin is offering an audit. Now, an example kung gaano ka-powerful yung isang audit. Kasi yung audit is like when you go to a doctor, yung doctor hindi naman nagbibigay sa inyo ng flyer or brochure or pamphlet para sabihin na may like sabihin natin may problema ka sa gallbladder, like may gallstones ka tulad sa akin, may gallstones ako ngayon. Pag pumunta ka sa doktor, hindi naman nagsasabi yung doktor na, basahin mo tong pamphlet na to kasi yung lahat na nakalagay sa pamphlet na yan all about gallstones is applicable sa'yo. Di ba hindi nagme-make sense? Usually yung gagawin ng doktor is number one, i-check up ka nila. I-check ka nila and then magpapalaboratory. And then after the laboratory, dun pa lang sila magpre-prescribe ng medicine or yung treatment na gagawin nyo. So basically, yung audit is like, chine-check mo yung isang business ng client. Kasi when you check the business of a client, say for example, sa amin, yung landing page, pag chine-check namin yung landing page nila, kung saan yung may problema at kung saan nila may improve, most of the time, guys, like 90% of the time, hindi na sila humihingi ng sample. Kasi nga, nafe-feel nila na mas valuable yung audit as compared to the PDF. Now, why am I saying na mas powerful yung audit as compared to portfolio and then at the same time yung downloadable PDF? So, eto yung benefits niya. Number one, it's personalized. Okay? It's personalized. Kasi nga, depende kung ano yung problema nila. Kumbaga, kung may problema sila sa color ng button, at least alam nila na color ng button yung problema. Pero hindi naman lahat ng business yun yung problema. So yun nga, it's personalized. Now, if it's personalized, mas relatable sa situation nila. And the more na relatable sa kanila, the more na mabibuild yung tiwala nila sa inyo. Okay? So the more that they trust you, shorten mo yung sales process and then makukuha mo yung client. Bakit? Kasi nga, wala nang guesswork. Alam nila na may binigay kang value upfront. Alam nila kung ano yung gagawin. Okay? So, baka sabihin nyo na, nagbigay na ako ng audit tapos yung client humihingi pa din ng sample. So that means that specific client doesn't really value your thinking process. That means yung hinahanap niya is kamay, hindi strategic partner. And kahit kahit i-try mo yung best mo pag ganyan yung client sa first pa lang na encounter nyo, sa first nyo pa lang na pag-encounter, tas hinahanapan ka pa din niya ng portfolio, that means that client sees you as someone na nasa execution wise lang. Yung hindi makakatulong sa kanila in their business growth. Now, if you want to attract people na magbabayad sa inyo ng malaki, para sa akin lang to offer an audit, kasi nga, if they see the value in that specific audit that you are giving them, that means that they are willing to pay you higher. Kasi they respect and value your thought process or your strategy as compared to other clients na yung tingin lang sa inyo is kamay. Okay? So, yun guys. Paano natin i-offer na yung audit? So, yun. Before that, ito lang yung exercise na ipapagawa ko sa inyo. Like, i-test nyo lang and then I would love to know kung ano yung mangyayari. Kasi yung members ng Conversion Designers Philippines, they've gotten great results using this method, yung pag-offer ng audit. So yun, instead of sending your portfolio or instead of working on samples and sending your portfolio link to a prospect, and instead of talking about your years of experience, sabihin natin kung nag-a-apply ka kung nag-send ka ng proposal sa Upwork, client, yung sinasabi mo na I have 100 years of experience in designing. So instead of doing that, and also instead about talking about the tools you know, and lastly, instead of talking about the skills you have, like sasabihin mo na aside from pagde-design, magaling ka din sumayaw and stuff like that. Kasi to be honest, this may sound harsh, but wala actually pake sa atin yung client. Yung main concern talaga nila palagi is how can you help me grow my business? Yan lang palagi yung concern nila. Kaya din sila nagpapatulong sa inyo or sa atin as designer. Like may papagawa silang graphics. Automatically, hindi yan hobby. Most of the time, it's all about something na magpapa-grow sa kanila. So yun, instead of talking about yourself, talk about the need of the client. So instead of doing these, just try asking this. Ito yung script. You can use this. A lot of people are already using this. And yun nga, para sa akin, do not copy the script word per word. Try to do some variations para at least hindi kayo robot tingnan. Okay? So, ito yung main thought. Number one is, yun nga, sabihin mo lang, hey there, would you be open if I give you a free audit? You can add like, hey there, would you be open if I give you a free audit on how you can increase your watch time? Or on how you can increase your YouTube views? Mga ganyan. Kasi pinapakita mo na sa kanila yung benefit. So, yun yung first statement or question mo. Mag-offer ka ng free audit. Then, sabihin mo to, I'm a big believer of giving value first and wanted to see if I'm the right for the role you are looking for. Now, bakit natin ginamitan ng ganitong statement? Kasi, may ibang clients or prospects na sasabihin, naku, bebentahan mo na naman ako kaagad. So, yung gagawin mo is, i-handle mo na yung potential objection nila na sasabihin mo na, by the way, gusto ko lang talaga magbigay ng something first para at least makita mo kung ito ba yung hinahanap mo. Parang free taste na. By the way, bibigyan muna kita ng pizza and then ikaw yung mag-judge kung masarap to. If hindi, okay lang. Pero yun nga, bibigyan muna kita ng free taste. So yun, I'm a big believer of giving value first and wanted to see if I'm the right fit for the role you're looking for. And then last na, looking forward to seeing if I can help you in your business. So, yun lang guys, that's how you would offer an audit. Now, I'm not sure if you want me to do a video kung paano mag-audit, pero yun nga, if you're a video editor or iba yung discipline ng design, like graphic designer ka, logo designer ka, to be honest, I'm not the right person kasi I'm more focused in offering landing page. Pero yun nga, I would love to know kung may gustong mga tao na gumawa ko ng video all about doing a landing page audit. So, yun lang. Again, I would love to see how many replies you get from using that specific script. So, yun. Guys, by the way, I just want you to comment the one takeaway you got from this video. And if there's any topic you want me to cover, please comment down below. So yun, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!